Hey, morning, Chris. I heard you had some trouble breathing.
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and auscultate your lung sounds, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, sweet. Let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and check the above your clavicle here, and this is what Chris's normal lung sounds would sound like. Beautiful lung sounds. Now, this is what Chris's lung sounds would sound like if he had wheezing. And last but not least, this is what Chris's lung sounds would sound like if he had crackles. Continue to take deep breaths there, Chris. All right, beautiful. You're all set, Chris.